Welcome guys, my Skibidi Toilet friends, and today we're gonna try to solve this problem of this math story based on the questions, and we're gonna try how many aura did we get. Let's see. Alright, so now we already know that the question from A is actually asking us to how many costs of the drilling to further a depth of 500 meters. So let's see. Now we can say that the cost of drilling of 500 meters, you already know that is 11,300. So we're gonna use the arithmetic series. So the total cost of 100 meters of drilling is actually $1,140. And the cost of drilling 500 meters we can figure out using the formula of the arithmetic series. Which is Sn equals to n divided by 2 times in the brackets 2a plus in the brackets n minus with 1 in the close the bracket with b is the difference and close the bracket. And we have known that the first term is actually a equals to $500 since that 50 meters is actually cost 500 meters. And now we can see that the difference in money is $140 because using the formula of U2 minus with U1 we will get $140. Alright, so now we can say that we can tell that the difference between the first term and the second term is actually 50. So we could just add up until 500 meters. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and then 400, 400, and 50, and also with 500. So that's a U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, and so on until the U10, which is we can find that is actually 500. So we can put on the arithmetic series formula again. S10 equals to 10 divided by 2, and in the brackets 2 times 500 the first term, plus in the brackets 10 minus 1 is the n, and 140 on the outside as well. So we can get 5 in the brackets 1000 plus 9 times 140 in the close bracket, and that is equal to 11,300. That's actually what bro wastes on the 500 ml just from some baby oil. So now we are gonna try to do the part B, which is the total sum of money available for the drilling is 76,000. So now we have to find to the nearest 50 meters to get the greatest depth that can be drilled. Alright guys, so we already know that the Sn is equal to $76,000. So what do we need to find is actually the nth, the greatest depth that can be drilled. So we already know that the arithmetic series formula is actually Sn equals to n divided by 2 in the brackets 2 times a plus in the brackets again n minus 1 close the bracket with d is the difference and close the bracket. So we already know that the Sn is actually $76,000, so we just put in there 76,000 equals to n divided by 2 and in the brackets 2 times 500 that we need to find, plus in the brackets n minus 1 close the bracket 140, which is the difference close the bracket. Now just times with 2, 76,000 with times with 2, so 2 you move it into the left hand side, so 150,000 equals to n in the brackets 2 times 500 is 1,000, sorry, and plus you just expand the bracket with n minus 1 with 140, so 140n minus 140. So we get 152,000 equals to 1,000 plus 140n squared minus with 140n, because since we expand the bracket again, so it's 1000n plus, and then we get, so we can get 152,000 equals to 1000n plus 140n squared minus 140n, because it's spread the bracket with n and so on. And then we can just replace the 152,000 with 0. So we're gonna go all the way to the right. So now it's gonna give us a 140n squared plus 860n in m minus with 152,000. This is from ax plus by minus with c, and then we can just divide it with 20 to make it simpler. So a 0 equals to 7n squared plus 43n minus 7,600. We can just get this one into a quadratic formula to find the result. And to make it a little bit simpler, so yeah, we already know that the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus in this roots of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we just put in there minus 43 plus minus root of 43 squared minus 4 times 7 times negative 7,600 divided by 2 times 7, which is equal to now negative 43 plus minus the roots of 1,849 plus 212,800 divided by 14. So that is gonna give us the answer of n is equal to 30,021. You can just count it on yourself if you want to, but we're gonna get this answer, so that is equal to 30. So we can know that this for the nearest 50 meters, so that is going to be 50 meters times 30, that is equal to 1,500 meters. Don't forget to mute.